Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. And I am back with a new enthusiasm, and hopefully I will be doing this, you know, consistently, because I have some time in my hand now, and I think let's see how it goes. So, uh, as you see in the title, I have made some changes because I have another video plan in my mind, but I think I should address this first. And again, I need some good knowledge on that field in order to make that video. So I think this video should be first, and afterward I will be uploading some other topics. Uh, so let's talk about the you know you have already seen the title. What I'm talking about is the trust. So what is a trust basically? It's the establishment of a connection between two people, or maybe two creature, like maybe between two humans, or maybe between one human and some dog or any pet we used to have. So it's just a simple word you can say, right? As in, I'm trusting someone, which in a sense you are just showing how much that person you are, how you are connected with them in order to you can say that you are trusting that person, in a sense that you are so connected with them, each and everything about them, and maybe they also know about you as the same. And you can, like, in any decision, any situation of your life, you can just go and share with them, and you have no hesitation, you have no hesitation in your mind. And this is, again, this can be with in if you are in a relationship, or you are in a very close friend of yours, or maybe uh, of course within your family also. So this is a little word, and it's a little simple meaning, but have a huge consequence in your life, because uh, why I am trying to address this, because nowadays, whenever I see people, I see a less trust. I used to have people around me, or maybe I see people as someone to trust to, or maybe someone to gain the access to my life. But nowadays I didn't find those people, right? I found someone like, no, I can't trust anymore, because all I see is lies, all I see is excuses, and people are not. There is some criteria you need to fulfill in order to make a bond with the people, or maybe establish your trust, or maybe you expect something to tick, in your checklist, in order to establish the trust. And as this generation went, we are surely getting the worst out of it, because we are becoming selfish. So that's the fact. And we don't admire the people around us, and we don't have that basic requirement to be, again, I am referring to my past video about the good people, right? And we are not in a situation to be good people, people who blindly someone come and make a connection with you, or maybe they can feel safe around you, talking to you and sharing the stuff, that knowing you will be listening to them, or maybe you are not you are not the person to judge them, in a sense. They will be some vulnerability they will share with you that the society won't expect, expect that from them, but they have some belief in you that you won't be able to violate those establishment between you guys. And actually it's hard. And again I see the most of the people are giving up on this aspect because they are thinking ki, I'm not getting that that connection with any people, so why should I make any changes on my side, right? So it's a kind of again selfishness they are creating. And uh, it's not gonna change unless you change. And again I'm saying in a sense because again we are a very depressed generation. And with time it going to get even worse than what we are today now. We are mentally frustrated, we are depressed, we are suicidal, and every all the negative things we are currently the young generation especially dealing with. And most of the things is not mainstream yet. We are not supposed to tell our parents, or we are not supposed to tell, in a sense we are not supposed to tell our friends also. And this with time is going to be very frustrating for us also. And these small things actually you need to consider. And you know you start to be that person first, with people who can trust you as a first line of sight. And they will find a reason to trust you because you are presenting yourself as a person who can listen, who can don't judge the people on the basis of what they are doing or how they feel. And even though the society is not expecting that from them, you will be the person, you become the person. Because as we always say that a good thing, a bad thing happen to good people, that not necessarily true. Because in your mind you are a good people, everyone is a good people on their mind. Because someone who kills people also, they he might think that he's doing a good work, right? But that's not necessarily true. And again making you whatever you are, like you may be an introvert, you may be an extrovert, you might have some like a single friend, or you might have a 100 friend. Is at the end nothing matters, right? And is that how deeply you are connected with your friend or your family is thus only thing that going to matter. And in order to have a peaceful life, in order to have a have someone by your side to listen to, by your side to support you at your roast moment, is very necessary thing to build a trust. And is something you're not going to generate out of thin air. Is going to take time. And with time you get to know the person, you get to establish a connection slowly. And there will be a time that you will be reaching a time where this the connection and the trust between the person and you become so so entangled that it's a good thing to have and as a human being also. We need that thing to have in our life in order to grow, in order to shine, in order to live. And if we take that trust out of the out of our society or out of our world, actually the world will stop working. And it's as simple as that. Because at the end everything around us is revolving around the trust of people to people, or people to the nature, or maybe people to some simple, you can say, the trust you have with your pet, you have with the pet trusting you as their parent or something. So it's everywhere. We sometimes we can see that, sometimes we can, but it's deep inside everyone. And you as a human being also need to find someone you know you you can trust blindly. And that it's a good thing to have, and it's a necessary thing to have. So yeah, that's it. I think that's something you need to keep in mind. And hopefully you will be have someone by your side. You can trust blindly, and don't have to explain this and that. You say something and they will blindly trust you. It's a something, some feelings that good to have. And that's the way it is. And yeah, that's the thing. And I hope, okay, this generation won't be that spoiled again, with all I see is untrustworthy people, because deep inside they are also feeling the need of to find someone, and they didn't actually find someone to trust. And they eventually become the person they hate. And that's the cycle we are going as this generation. And we need to break that if we can, and we should, uh, you know so that's it. And I hope you also start by your side, because you can't always blame everything on other person, right? You have to take the responsibility from your side, and you will be start developing a person that you want to have in your life, and become the person. So that's the thing. And I hope you implement in your life. And yeah, that's it. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.